So guys, I have to apologize. This is Zoom. Let me share my screen and let's go back.
Okay.
Okay, so let me open the book. Let me open my pen. So we said, guys, go round the center and throw the words. Throw. Throw من خلال. Throw the words. So let me cross. Throw. This is it up. It is already crossed and round and even up. We still have and even along. We still have down and under. طبعا under تحت. Okay. And what the hell? Let me go back a little bit in the recording.
ما وصلنا له.
Yeah, let me go back a little bit. Okay, so let's keep listening.
About, turn left and go up Park Avenue. Go round the corner, through the wood and down the hill.
What?
Down.
Down the hill.
Down.
Exactly. So انزل من أعلى الهضبة. Down the hill. أسفل الhill.
Then go under the railway.
Then go under the railway till you reach A312. So this is it. This is the railway, محطة القطار. ولاحظوا guys في عندي نفق صغير tunnel here. So go under, which is تحت the railway, سكة القطار. So this is it. Because why? لأنه أكيد بدي أوصل لهالعنوان أو اللوكيشن أو المحل, which is A312 to Dorchester. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Yes.
So please keep these directions with the prepositions in your mind because you may use them in your daily life. Okay. Now, I want to check your understanding about the map. I want to ask you something. So here we have the railway station. Okay. And the railway station is here. Wait, let me accept Hiba. She is coming. So guys, the railway station, let me change the color. The railway station is here. I'm circling the railway station. Let me ask Hiba, can you hear me?
Yes teacher.
Okay.
أنا ما كان عم بزبط عندي هلا زبط مش الحال هلا لفتت أنا.
Okay, let me ask someone else. And absolutely, I want to go back to you. Tagreed, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so Tagreed, this is I'm circling the railway station and I am
Yes.
here. Now, my question is, Tagreed, how can I get to the railway station? So I'm here. Okay.
Yes. Go along George Street,
I'm going. Okay.
past the Bristol Hotel,
I'm passing the Bristol Hotel. Okay. I'm here.
and round the
Is it under the bridge or over the bridge or what?
over
Over
the
the
bridge.
أكيد دخيلك ما بعرف يسبح. So over the bridge. Okay, so I'm here.
Yes, and round this street.
Where should I go? Left or round or up?
Left.
So I'm turning left. Okay. Now I'm in
No,
the shall I go back?
the second
You mean turn right.
right.
Now, please tell me carefully because I will be lost. Okay, I'm turning right. What else?
No, yes, yes. Now past
Mhm.
the Ford Road.
Yes, I'm passing the Ford Road. Okay, I'm here.
Yes, left. Now
Turn left. Okay.
go along.
Go along the street. Amazing. Go up. Okay.
Yes, Verda Station.
Thank you so much. Now I'm here. Thank you so much, Tagreed. Now I think I have to ask, let me check the list. Raed, can you hear me, Raed?
Yes.
Okay. So, right now, I need you to tell me the location of M4 to Appleby. Let me show you.
Teacher,
Uh-huh.
I can leave.
Why? Are you okay?
لا بس بدي أهلي بدهم إياني بدي أروح
Yeah.
على محل.
Yeah. Is that you, Ghadi?
Yes, yes, I'm ready.
God bless you, Ghadir. That's okay. Okay.
Bye.
So, right, this is the M4 to Appleby. Now I'm here. Can you please tell me how can I go to M4 to Appleby?
Yes.
So I'm here.
Go along George Street,
I'm going
the Bristol Hotel,
past the Bristol Hotel. Okay, so I
over the river,
over the river.
the
Shall I?
bridge.
Because I don't know how to swim. Okay, so thank you. Over the bridge. I'm here.
Turn right.
Turn right. Okay, I'm turning right. I'm next to the petrol station. Where shall I go?
Yes, past the petrol station and
I'm passing the petrol station. Shall I turn left?
no, go along.
Go along, go up. Okay. I have,
Okay. Um,
I can see a roundabout.
turn.
Turn where?
Turn right.
Okay, I'm turning right.
No.
Do you mean go up?
Yes, go up and
Okay. Now I'm
okay.
here. I can see a museum and a hotel. There is a
Past
statue here.
the hotel and
Okay, I'm passing the statue. This is it. Thank you so much, Farah.
okay.
Okay, now I have to ask someone else. Let me ask, Hiba, are you okay now, Hiba?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so let me try to choose a location. Now I want to buy some things, Hiba. I want to get to the supermarket. Please, can you tell me where the supermarket is? First of all, this is the supermarket because
Okay.
maybe you will be, this is it. So this is the supermarket and I'm here. So can you tell me the directions, please?
Okay, go along Georgie States,
George Street, okay.
next hotel.
Next to the hotel. Shall I go inside?
No, next, direct.
I have to pass the Bristol Hotel. Maybe you mean past.
Yeah,
I'm
past.
passing.
Okay.
I'm passing the Bristol Hotel. Yajtaz. I can see a bridge.
Okay. Past river.
Shall I jump to the river?
No, نفس الطريق.
Yeah.
Along.
Over the bridge. Holy God. Okay, thank you. I can see
Okay.
a roundabout.
Left.
Turn left.
Left.
Okay.
No. Left. Turn left.
This okay. I'm turning left. There is a Park Avenue.
No. الميل التاني
Turn right. Please. Okay.
turn right.
I'm turning right. Okay. There is a Ford
Okay.
Road, and I can see a
Past the petrol.
I'm passing the petrol station. Shall I turn left?
Okay. No. Direct.
Go along. Go straight. امشي بشكل مستقيم. I can see a
Okay.
roundabout.
Okay. Round the Hug Straight.
Go straight. Okay, I'm going straight.
No. اسم الشارع هيدا.
High Street.
High Street.
Is the High Street on the left or on the right?
Right.
On the right. Okay, now I'm going. I can see a church.
نو بدنا مش بنلف الدوار كله بنلف
Ah,
الدوار كله وبنروح لهونيك.
turn left. I'm sorry. Okay, so now I can see a chemist here next to me, and in the other side I can
بس
see.
كمان
I'm passing the.
بس
Okay, I
بس
can see.
أوفيس.
Go straight. So where is it? Is
So
it next to me?
سوبر ماركت.
I'm here. Thank you so much, Hiba. Okay. I think I have to ask Jamila.
Yes.
Okay, so let me choose a location and you have to tell me the place. Okay, now I want to go to the church.
قصدك بالchurch هو church street ولا شو؟
No, the church is, this is it. This is the church.
إيه إنه هيدا هي. Okay.
So this is
Go
the church.
along.
Okay,
Okay. I began.
please.
Yes. I go along George Street.
Okay, I'm
Past
going.
the Bristol Hotels
I'm past.
on your left,
Uh-huh.
and over the bridge.
Amazing.
At the at the roundabout, turn right
Okay.
and go up past the petrol station.
Passing.
Then the school in your right.
Yeah, I can see
Go
it.
up
Okay, I'm going
along
up.
the street,
Amazing.
and in the next in the second roundabout, turn your left, right. Yes.
Okay, I'm turning right.
Turn your right
This is the church street.
and go along
Okay.
the church street.
I'm
Where is the
going.
church?
This is it. This is the church. I can see it. Thank you so much,
Philip?
Jamila. Yeah, thank you so much. Now I can pray.
Welcome.
Okay, so thank you so much,
Okay.
guys. Notice that the prepositions concerning directions are extremely important. Absolutely, you have to know them because maybe you will be asked about a certain place. And to be honest, personally, it happened to me hundreds of times. So maybe it's going to happen to you. Absolutely, you have to tell the person who is asking about the place correctly because maybe he or she will be lost. Okay?
Okay.
So I think we have to stop here because I have another class. If you have any questions, absolutely you can ask me.
Yes, thank you.
Okay,
Good.
so I have to thank you and I have to wish a good night for you. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Bye bye, bye bye.
No.